Hey, let me stop you right there before you open another tab full of options. LS50 Wireless 2. This is for you if you're the kind of person who feels when sound isn't quite right, when instruments lack presence, when vocals sit fuzzy instead of clear, when your playlists don't pull you in the way you know they should. You've lived with good enough long enough, and the very first time you hear these, you feel how much difference quality really makes. Before you go deeper, check the current price and availability. Speakers in this class often sell out or shift in price more than people expect, and if you're already thinking about it, that signal matters. You know that exact moment your old setup let you down. Maybe a favorite track sounded flat. Maybe movie audio felt distant, like you weren't even in the room. Maybe you found yourself turning up the volume hoping it'd feel deeper, only to realize louder isn't the same as rich. That's when you knew you weren't just picky, you were ready for something that actually delivers. The first time you power these on, there's a clarity you notice before you can even label it. Vocals feel anchored right in front of you. Instruments have space and texture instead of crowding together. The bass isn't just louder, it's defined. It's a sound that feels intentional, like someone finally tuned your audio to match what your ears expect. Imagine sitting down with your favorite album and hearing details you didn't know were there. Picture movie nights where every effect has space, weight, and direction instead of just being loud. Even podcasts feel more engaging because voices feel alive, not compressed or smeared. That's not just louder, that's presence, and once you experience it, going back feels like a step down. Don't wait on pricing guesses or stock thinking it'll stay the same. High-end powered speakers like this tend to move quickly, and hesitation is how interest turns into regret. You might think powered speakers won't change your whole setup. That doubt evaporates in the first few minutes of listening. The surprise isn't just sound quality, it's how effortlessly it fills the space. It's like someone finally matched the speaker to your expectations instead of asking your music to settle for less. Owning these changes how you approach listening. You sit down and feel present instead of distracted. You stop tweaking EQ or adjusting balance because it simply delivers what your content deserves. It doesn't shout for attention, it earns it every time you press play. You feel clarity that puts vocals up front. You feel depth that gives tracks weight. You feel coherence that ties every instrument together. You feel immersion that keeps you listening longer. It's not the lowest cost setup out there. And it thrives with quality source material. Eventually, you stop scanning alternatives. You leave the comparison loop. At some point, you choose the one that already feels like the right fit for how you want to enjoy sound. Check the price while it still feels logical. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you put off, only to look back and wish you'd acted when everything lined up so clearly.